everyone, this is Christina from White House. We are out in our press area, and this is where we print all our press printed products. One of the big initiatives here at White House over the last few years has been how to make selling cards easier for you. We have our online editor with all our designs from our in-house designers. Everything's designed by scratch from our designers here, and it's a drag and drop, and it's super simple. And today we're actually going to show you a little bit about our quality product and kind of show you how a card is made from start to finish. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Leanne. She is one of our press leads here for many years, and she's actually going to show us how we do our foil process here. What do you start with here, Leanne?
All right, so we have our printed sheet of 5x7s that come 4 up on a sheet, and then we'll load this in over here, and we'll do our foil stamping from there. So once we have the paper loaded, then we'll go load the chase in, which is very hot.
She's wearing some really sweet gloves. So you want to show us a little bit why you're wearing gloves and kind of what the chase is about?
This is very hot. Each of our plates are preloaded into an oven, preheated, nice and hot, as this is a hot process when it runs through here. So we'll just
And is this fully copper, Leanne, or what is this?
Yep, so this is a copper plate that we have made custom with our designs, and we go from there. And then we're ready to run our sheet through, and I'll do a test, make sure it looks good, and then we'll move it on from there. It looks pretty good to me. So I think I'm gonna run the whole job.
Done with foil pressing the card, and we are on to cutting it. And this particular card has a shape on it, so Leanne's going to kind of show us how you would cut a shape.
Yeah, so this is our rotary die cutter, and we have a variety of different dies. This is our C13 shape, so I'll just load this on this cylinder and we'll watch it go from there. So same concept, we have an elevator that'll bring our sheets up, and then a conveyor belt that'll take it through. The cylinder will go around and spin and punch the shape out. So we'll do a test really quick, make sure it looks good. And here's our C13.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, so we're just checking for any, bad edges or anything like that. Looks good, and then we'll run the whole job.
Hey, so now that the card is printed and cut and foiled, we are on to our next process. We are here with Kelly, our production manager here out in the press. And she's going to kind of show us a little bit about the printed envelopes. Hey, Kelly.
Hey.
So here, what you got here? This one is our black envelope.
Yeah.
And you're at our printer here?
Yep. With the white ink. And I'm going to go ahead and load them in here. All set up. I'm going to go ahead and print them.
So Kelly, how many printers do we have for our printed envelopes?
We have 3.
And is this a specific one, or what is this one doing?
This one does white ink only.
Oh, okay. So now that we have the envelopes printed, we are headed to our final inspection, right?
Yeah.
You want to tell us a little bit about what you guys kind of look for and everything you do over here?
So we're looking for like bent corners, specks in the paper, bad foil.
We also count them.
Count them.
Sure
Yep.
There.
Yep. Make sure everybody's there, and then we band them up and package them up.
Okay, cool.
So first I'm gonna scan the order. We're gonna band them. Up with our label. This is not a bang part. And they're gonna go down to client delivery.
So part of making cards easier here is shipping directly to the client. So we offer premium packaging for our pressed cards, and Kelly's going to kind of show you what happens when a card is premium packaging.
Yep, so we've got several different options. We've got black, craft, brown, and then assortment of ribbons for it as well. So I would read the order form and see what color box it's going to go into. This one's going to go into a black one. So we're going to take the box. We have different sizes too, so if you have like 50 or 100 cards, you get a bigger box for them. And put the envelopes in there. Then we're going to use tissue paper to wrap the cards. Put that in there, and then we're going to put the cards in that tissue paper and wrap the cards. Now comes the fun part. We're going to tie the bow. Snip it off. And there we are.
Awesome. Thanks, Kelly. One thing I noticed as we're walking along here is obviously we pride ourselves in quality here at White House, but
Yep.
it really looks like you guys have a lot of checkpoints at all the different stations.
Yeah.
And you kind of say each someone's trained in specifically a lot of the different machines or the
Yeah.
areas, right? Is that how you normally set it up?
Yeah, definitely. Yep. A lot of good spots to, if anything goes wrong or we need to reprint something, we'll definitely catch it.
Gotcha.
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you. Thanks for coming along our press printed card journey today in the press area with a lot of our staff here. If there's anything you want to see specifically, certain processes, we are ready to show you, so just let us know.